Welcome to 10031 Pandion Trail in Pensacola, Florida. We are located just 1.5 miles to the back gate of NAS and 6.5 miles to beautiful Perdido Key. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It is 2,850 square feet. It resides on a cul-de-sac and it was built in 2019. As you can see, we have some wonderful trees just to the right of the home. And through there's a great community park. I will walk you through there just as soon as I finish giving you a tour of the inside of this awesome house. We do have an additional living space on the second floor that also makes for a great playroom if you have littles as well. So we do have all brick exterior and hurricane coverings on this home with a nice front sitting porch right here in the front yard. So coming in, we have our stairwell on the left with our powder room and laundry room down the hall, which I will show you in just one second. To our right, we have our formal dining space with an additional storage closet and crown molding. This home comes equipped with blinds throughout, as well as vinyl plank flooring throughout all the main living area. So coming into the kitchen, we have a nice open spacious floor plan, beautiful quartz countertops with an island with seating for 3, plenty of cabinet storage in here with a built-in desk, a 5-burner gas cooktop, built-in microwave and refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. And just right in front of us, we do have a pantry as well. French doors opening out to the covered patio, and we do have a nice breakfast nook here as well. So 2 dining areas in this home. Nice spacious living room. And on the main floor here, just off the living room, we do have our primary bedroom. Very spacious in here. It measures 12 by 24. So we have this awesome bonus space back here. You can see there's plenty of uses for it. They've got a Peloton over here as well as a desk work area. Would also make for a great nursery as well. So plenty of space in this primary bedroom. And they do have a king size bed in here as well, just to give you a little bit of reference on the size. Into the primary bathroom, we do have a separate walk-in shower with a garden tub, lots of natural light in here. We have a linen closet and a water closet for some additional privacy. Beautiful quartz countertops in here as well. So just a really nice layout here in this bathroom. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take you upstairs. Actually, I'm going to show you the laundry and powder room. So on our right over here, we have our garage entry to the 2-car garage. It also has pull-down attic stairs for some additional storage space. Here we have our powder room. Convenient for guests. And into the laundry here. Got some additional storage space up above the washer and dryer. All right. So moving on upstairs. This is such a wonderful bonus feature to have if you have kids, you need that additional gaming space, or potentially even have an in-law staying with you. This space is just massive, and there's just so many uses for it. As you can see, they have it set up as a playroom here. So our first bedroom here, these 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Just over here, we have our Jack and Jill. Again, beautiful quartz countertops in all the bathrooms. We do have a double vanity in this bathroom, and then a shower tub combo closing off to the rest of the bathroom, so you can utilize both of these spaces at the same time. And then into our second bedroom. Really nice size rooms here. And just across the way here, we have another office space, which would be our 3rd bedroom. Love this cute accent wall in here. She did a great job on that. And then we have another nook over here. Again, there's just so much living space up here. It's wonderful. And then we have our 4th bedroom back here, kind of a little bit separated from the other rooms. And just next to this, we have our 3rd full bathroom. Again, double vanity in here, tons of space. And then we have another shower tub combo in this bathroom as well. All right, now I'm gonna take you out back, give you a preview of the backyard here. Give you another peek at this space. It's just an awesome bonus space to have. The backyard is fully fenced with a privacy fence, and we have a nice covered patio out here. Give you a view of the living space again, and the kitchen, just nice and open. It's a really nice floor plan in here. Okay. So there's also a back gate here that they have added, and it leads to that park. There's a road from the main road that leads to this park as well, but I'm going to take you through the trees out the front way because I think it's much prettier that way. Got some oak trees back here, and we do have a side gate entry as well over here on the right side. So just a really great setup in this house. Again, built in 2019. There's also a termite bond. There's no majors to do on this house. It is turnkey, gorgeous condition, very well maintained. And then they just told me that they did some painting in here as well. So fresh paint. I'm gonna give you the last view of the kitchen, which I usually do at the end, but since I'm gonna walk over to that park, I wanted to give you a peek. And normally I don't go back out this way. Gotta put some shoes on. Didn't want to clank through. All right. So let's take a peek at this park out here. It's like having your own little private park in your backyard. You can hear the jets. That's how close we are to base. As I said, we are 1.5 miles from the back gate here at NAS. So great location if you're military or you're relocating to the area here. So we have a nice little nature trail here. There's also a pond in this neighborhood. You can see the trail goes back that way a little bit. And it's gated as well. So we have our own little trail over here. I just think this is such a wonderful bonus. All right. So as you can see, it's quite a large playground. We have a pavilion over there as well with some picnic tables. So this is the Perdido Kids Park, and there are public restrooms here as well. It's like a giant castle out here, so just a wonderful, wonderful feature. So again, let us know if you have any questions about this one. If you have anybody who'd like to see it, this is 10031 Pandion Trail in Pensacola, Florida.